CAPA, or Corrective and Preventive Action, is a critical component in the quality management system of the medical device industry, particularly under ISO 13485 and the EU Medical Device Regulation, EU MDR. CAPA processes are essential for identifying, investigating, and addressing non-conformities to ensure continuous improvement and compliance with regulatory requirements. 1. Definitions. 1. Corrective action, CA actions taken to eliminate the causes of an existing nonconformity or undesirable situation to prevent recurrence. 3. Preventive action, PA actions taken to eliminate the causes of a potential nonconformity or undesirable situation to prevent occurrence. 2. Regulatory context, ISO 13485 to 2016. ISO 13485 emphasizes the need for organizations to establish and maintain effective CAPA procedures. The standard outlines the importance of 1. Documenting procedures for identifying and managing nonconformities. 2. Implementing actions to address these nonconformities and their root causes. 3. Monitoring the effectiveness of the implemented actions. EU MDR 2017-745. The EU MDR places a strong emphasis on risk management and post-market surveillance, requiring manufacturers to implement a robust CAPA system to ensure product safety and effectiveness throughout the product lifecycle. Specific points include 1. Conducting a risk assessment whenever a nonconformity is identified. 2. Maintaining records of CAPA activities, including root cause analyses and follow-up actions. 3. CAPA process. The CAPA process typically involves the following steps: identification of nonconformity. 1. This can arise from various sources such as customer complaints, audit findings, or quality control tests. 1. For example, if a customer reports that a medical device has malfunctioned, this incident must be documented. Investigation and root cause analysis. 1. The organization investigates the nonconformity to determine its root cause. 1. Tools like the 5 Whys, fishbone diagram, or failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, can be used. 1. For instance, if the malfunction was due to a faulty component, the investigation should explore why that component failed, for example, supplier quality, design flaws. Implementation of corrective action. 1. Based on the root cause analysis, corrective actions are planned and implemented. 1. In our example, if the issue was linked to a supplier, the organization might decide to change suppliers or enhance incoming inspection protocols. Implementation of preventive action. 1. This step involves taking action to prevent recurrence of the issue. 1. For example, if the investigation revealed a pattern of failures with a specific component type, the organization might implement a more rigorous testing protocol for all components from that supplier. Verification of effectiveness. 1. After corrective and preventive actions have been implemented, the organization needs to verify that these actions have effectively resolved the issue and that no similar nonconformities occur. 1. This may involve additional monitoring or testing. Documentation and record keeping. 1. All steps of the CAPA process must be thoroughly documented, including the initial nonconformity report, investigation findings, actions taken, and follow-up results. 1. This is essential for compliance with ISO 13485 and EU MDR requirements. 4. Example scenario context. A manufacturer of infusion pumps receives multiple complaints about pumps delivering incorrect dosages. 1. Identification. Customer complaints are logged, triggering a CAPA investigation. 2. Investigation. the manufacturer conducts a root cause analysis and discovers that a software bug in the dosage calculation algorithm is the cause. 3. Corrective action. The software is updated and a revised version is released. 3. All affected units in the market are recalled and updated. 4. Preventive action. The manufacturer implements a new software validation protocol to catch similar issues in future updates. 5. Verification. The company monitors post-market performance data to ensure that there are no further dosage complaints related to the updated software. 6. Documentation. The entire process is documented, ensuring compliance and readiness for potential audits. 5. Conclusion. Implementing an effective CAPA system is not just a regulatory requirement, but also a best practice that enhances product quality and patient safety. Both ISO 13485 and EU MDR require a systematic approach to CAPA, emphasizing the importance of thorough investigations and actions that lead to sustained improvements in quality management systems within the medical device industry. By rigorously following these processes, manufacturers can mitigate risks and ensure compliance with international standards.